Hello, this is Todd Shults, and this is my introduction video for my e-portfolio. I am 35 years old. I'm in my 12th year of teaching and my second school district overall. I have a wife, Anais, and a daughter, Vivian, and we enjoy traveling quite a lot as my wife is French, and we travel back as much as possible across the sea to visit her family. We enjoy traveling around the United States as well as a family, and things I like to do personally outside of school. I do a lot and am very involved with music in the community. I play trumpet quite a lot, piano, drums as much as I can, and I enjoy going to concerts and hearing other musicians perform. I also enjoy outdoors, hunting, fishing, camping. Just being outdoors in any capacity is good for me. My educational background consists of K-12 education in the Valley Center School District, where after graduation I attended 1 year at the University of Kansas, and then I ended up coming back to Wichita to finish a bachelor's degree at Wichita State University. And then I got a teaching job and kept teaching for 5 years before I began my master's in the summer, which I obtained at Kansas State University in 2014. After that, I moved positions and ended up in the Rose Hill School District, where I'm in my 5th year of teaching, and I've just completed the course for the NDE Building Administration. I'm in completion of that right now. My personal goals for the next 1 to 5 years are to continue to grow my mustache even bigger, and also to have more capacity to balance work and home life, something that's very difficult, I think, for an administrator to do when they have so much responsibility at school, to be able to balance that at home. In the next 6 to 10 years, I hope to have perfected that, and also maybe move up with my family to maybe a larger home where we can raise more kids. I can have maybe a little bit of property, a little bit of land to play with, maybe some chickens. Nothing too extravagant, but just something that's good for the soul. In the next 10 to plus years for my personal goals, I hope to be on track for a good retirement financially. I hope to be on track with paying for my children's college and being debt-free. Those are all things in my personal life that are very important to me, and hoping to not drive my wife too crazy by 10 plus years. Professional goals. I hope in the next 1 to 5 years that I will have obtained an administration job and that I will be learning under somebody who's been doing this for a long time. I hope to get into maybe an assistant principal role where I can be still kind of shadowing and learning from someone who's done this for a long time while I figure out exactly what kind of administrator I want to be once in the school setting. In the next 6 to 10 years, the professional goals I have would be to maybe transition into a lead principal role where I can take on the entire school building. The staff and students are all under my responsibility, and possibly even an assistant principal to work with then. In the next 10 to plus years, professional goals, I hope to be settled in a school district and not moving around, and I really would like to just be somewhere where I can raise my kids, raise my family, be a part of the community, and move myself towards retirement, of course, many, many years after that, but in a position where I don't feel like I need to bounce around. The reason I chose Fort Hays State University is primarily because of the flexibility. I needed to continue working because I'm the primary breadwinner for our family, so I did not want to quit teaching to go back and get a building administration degree or certificate. So the flexibility of the online program was crucial for me, and by word of mouth, some people that I had known gone through this program spoke very highly of the amount of content that you do get with the online component. My initial expectations for the program were pretty positive based on what I had heard, but I also was pretty apprehensive that I was going to get a decent education just strictly being online and not having that community aspect of a classroom, the debate, the dialogue that you have with other classmates and teachers. But I quickly learned that the way it's structured with the Google Classroom and the way that we have the peer reviews and the way that we turn in assignments, I learned that that was very, very beneficial to my education and understanding what other people's circumstances are where they teach currently and the reasons why they want to become an administrator. So I did find that this program, right off the bat, I was impressed with it, and I was able to continue to enjoy the assignments that were put in front of me. So that's just a little bit about me, and I look forward to the rest of my courses, and I look forward to completion of this program. Thank you.